guys, it's me, Dr. Pepper.
And me, Ginger 64.
And we are in Miami, Florida, on our way to Pinecrest, Florida, to go to the rainforest.
Wait,
and we're gonna
have like that place that ever was.
Yeah, they're gonna have a farmer's market there. We're gonna.
Because I am hungry.
This is part 1. Part 2 is when we're gonna explore the rainforest. We're already on our way there. Oh, we just left Miami. We just entered Kendall. All right, just enjoy the view.
South Miami, next exit.
Yeah, it's that exit over there. The exit is to South Miami. Actually, we're.
So look, there's palms in the background.
Yep.
Can you see those palms?
Yes. We live in South Florida.
Pinecrest Gardens.
Ah, my dad's using Waze to get there. If you don't know what Waze is,
I can't forget.
Something that gets us to the quickest way there. Also, just in case it's too sunny, I got. Just in case it gets too sunny, I got my Miami Heat hat here. That's my team. Well, you have a Marvel hat, not a Miami Heat hat.
Yeah, but it's still hot.
All right, just enjoy the nice drive.
Wait, how about we use a timer and see how long it takes to get there?